me?
Yeah, I do. So what have you done?
I don't want to alarm you, Tracey, but there's a very peculiar smell. Oh, it's in here. And the carpet's wet.
Oh, she ain't been over there and all, has she?
What do you mean? It's that cat, innit? It's weeds all over my shag pile. It's out here and all. The whole place stinks of cats.
Oh, it ain't that bad.
It's disgusting.
Well, at least the smell will keep the mice away, won't it?
Oh, I'm glad you think it's funny.
Look, Tracey, it'll be all right. Once you get your Arrow antique samples out, you won't be able to smell a pair of month-old kippers in here.
I'm not having people in with my ass in this state. That's it. Definitely this time. Party's off. I knew I should never listen to you two.
Well, you can't cancel now. They'll be here any minute.
Tough. We'll just have to sit here and pretend we're out.
Well, what am I going to tell the girls?
Tell them she was rushed to hospital. You won't be lying.
It's a bit like hiding from the rent man, isn't it?
I wouldn't know. They're here.
Shh. I've left me fags in the kitchen. Sharon, pass us your roll-up over.
No.
Look, it's your fault. You'll have to go with that till they've gone. You get this wacky backy out of my ass.
All right. Any chance for a refund, or?
It's nothing to do with me. Luke gets it. The cat's in the hallway. She looks so innocent just sitting there. Oh, no, she's not just sitting there.
I'll kill the little...
Sit down, Trace. They'll see it through the glass.
You wait.
Do you think they've gone?
I'll go and see. Oh, Tiddles. Right, you're a kebab tomorrow, mate. I think they've gone.
Are you sure?
Yes, they've gone.
Oh, thank God, I was beginning to feel like a criminal. No offence.
None taken. Oh.